ka ng sipa. Nauuna ka yung lower body mo. Ando doon ka na naman. Kunin mo yung bola. Huwag mo sipain ng sipain. Pumalo ka. Hindi, papayta kita dyan eh. Dumadaan yung bola, buhay pa. Pwede mo pa siyang ma-recover. Kahit anong first ball nila dyan, mababa yung bola, nasa ere pa yan. Pwede pa natin ma-retrieve yan. Tara! Ayusin natin yan! Let's go!
Okay, the honeymoon is over.
That's right. That answers your question. How long will it last? Only up to the 21st and 22nd point rather here in this first set.
Well, she saw that her players were actually cruising through this particular set and she was not pleased. Cainglet comes in.
But the crowd is pleased. Cainglet comes in for Cabalejo.
Well, Cabalejo was threatened by the coach. Kung hindi niya gandahan yung kanyang performance, papalitan siya, napalitan na nga siya. Let's see how much that helps. The squad in white here, Petron.
Maiza, still the dependable utility spiker that she is, gets that point.
Maiza now with the serve. Tied at 22. Quick play. That's dug from the back. They go to Bernal. Now in the outside, Cainglet. Back and forth action. Gatuin. Now they go to the side. Can they save it? No.
Oh, but the point again given to Signal. Crossing, I think, crossing violation was called on Petron. Well, these violations are, you know, happening to them at the tail end of the game. Really not the best for them.
Real crucial stage. Great serve there by Agar. Bernal gets that through. It's now set point. Timeout once again going to be called by Petron. Let's listen in.
Ang bola nito, wait. Kailangan bantayan mo yung pag minsan malayo. Yun ang bantayan mo. Kaya pag atras mo, sigurado ka na ka. Gitna, sino yung gitna? Ikaw. Pasok ka ng pasok, pwede ka na mag-tres, di ba? Pwede ka mag-tres, pwede ka mag-4. Nga lang. Ha? Pasok mo na yung last service. Ha? Okay, go. Move.
More than anything else, Coach Sammy wants a good serve. Bernal has really been at the forefront of the attack all throughout set number 1.
She's been one of the key factors, really challenging the defense of Petron here in the first set.
And look at this, not even getting to the attack is Petron, losing the first set. First set score, 25-22. And there's confirmation. The Signal HD Spikers taking set number 1, 25-22. We'll be back.